Welcome back to our channel. Have you ever felt constant fatigue, unexplained headaches, or strange joint pain, and simply ignored it? What if those small signs were actually your body trying to warn you about something serious? Millions of people around the world are living with diabetes, high blood pressure, or high uric acid without even knowing it. The scariest part? But the good news is this: your body always sends early warning signals. And if you learn to recognize them early, you may prevent severe complications like heart attack, stroke, kidney failure, or gout. In today's video, we'll reveal the early warning signs of diabetes, high blood pressure, and high uric acid that many people ignore. Some of these symptoms might surprise you, so make sure you watch until the end, because the last warning sign is something doctors say many people overlook completely. Let's begin. Diabetes is one of the fastest growing health conditions worldwide. It happens when your body cannot properly regulate blood sugar levels, usually because of problems with insulin. But before diabetes is diagnosed, your body often gives clear warning signs. Here are some of the most important ones. First, constant thirst. Do you feel thirsty all the time even after drinking water? This leads to more fluid loss, making you feel extremely thirsty. If you constantly crave water, it could be an early diabetes signal. Second, frequent urination. If you suddenly find yourself going to the bathroom more often, especially at night, it could be another sign. When blood sugar rises, your kidneys try to flush out extra glucose through urine. This increases urination frequency. Many people ignore this sign for years. Third, extreme fatigue. Feeling tired occasionally is normal. But persistent exhaustion even after rest may indicate that your body cannot use glucose efficiently for energy. As a result, your cells are essentially starving for fuel, making you feel constantly drained. Fourth, blurry vision. High blood sugar can affect the tiny blood vessels in your eyes. This may cause temporary blurry vision or difficulty focusing. If left untreated, diabetes can eventually lead to serious eye problems or vision loss. Fifth, slow healing wounds. Have you noticed cuts or wounds taking longer to heal? High blood sugar damages blood vessels and reduces circulation, slowing the healing process. This is a common early symptom many people overlook. Sixth, unexplained weight loss. Losing weight without trying might seem like a good thing. But in diabetes, this can happen because your body cannot properly use glucose for energy. Instead, it begins breaking down fat and muscle. And seventh, tingling or numbness in your hands and feet. High blood sugar can damage nerves over time. This may cause tingling, numbness, or burning sensations, a condition doctors call diabetic neuropathy. If you notice several of these symptoms together, it may be time to check your blood sugar levels. But diabetes isn't the only silent condition. Let's talk about another extremely common health problem: high blood pressure. It's often called the silent killer. Why? Because many people feel completely normal while it slowly damages their body. However, in some cases, the body does show subtle warning signs. Here are some early symptoms. 1. Frequent headaches, especially in the morning. Increased pressure in blood vessels can lead to pain or heaviness in the head. 2. Dizziness or lightheadedness. Frequent dizziness may occur when blood flow to the brain becomes unstable due to high pressure in arteries. 3. Shortness of breath. If simple activities like walking or climbing stairs suddenly make you feel breathless, it may indicate cardiovascular stress. High blood pressure forces the heart to work harder to pump blood. 4. Chest discomfort. Some people experience tightness or mild chest pain as high blood pressure begins affecting the heart and blood vessels. This symptom should never be ignored. 5. Nosebleeds. Frequent nosebleeds can sometimes occur when blood pressure rises suddenly. And 6. Heart palpitations. Do you sometimes feel your heart pounding or beating irregularly? This can be caused by the strain on the heart from high blood pressure. Many people only discover they have high blood pressure during routine checkups, which is why doctors recommend checking it regularly. But there's another condition becoming increasingly common worldwide: high uric acid. Uric acid is a natural waste product. Normally, it dissolves in the blood and leaves the body through urine. But when levels become too high, it can cause painful health problems. Here are the early warning signs. First, joint pain. One of the most common symptoms is sudden joint pain, often in the big toe, but it can also affect the ankles, knees, wrists, or fingers. Second, swelling in joints. When uric acid crystals build up in joints, they cause inflammation. The joint may feel warm, red, and extremely sensitive. Third, stiffness in the morning. If your joints feel stiff when you wake up, it could be related to uric acid buildup. Fourth, kidney stone symptoms. High uric acid can sometimes lead to kidney stones, with signs like sharp lower back pain, pain during urination, or blood in your urine. And fifth, sudden nighttime joint pain. Gout attacks often occur at night. Many people wake up suddenly with severe pain, which can be an important early signal. Your body is incredibly intelligent. It constantly sends signals when something is not right. But too often, we ignore these signs until the condition becomes serious. So remember these key messages. Persistent thirst and fatigue may signal diabetes. Headaches and dizziness may indicate high blood pressure. And joint pain and swelling may suggest high uric acid. The most powerful step you can take is early testing and lifestyle changes. Healthy eating, regular exercise, good sleep, and routine medical checkups can prevent many chronic diseases. If you found this information helpful, make sure to share this video with friends and family. Because recognizing these symptoms early could save someone's life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.